Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend videos on KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my KineMaster application, and as you can see I have created a project and I'm going to blend this video with another video. So I'm going to go to the layer and I'm going to select media and I'm going to add one video as an overlay. I'm just going to go to the video asset on KineMaster and I'm going to use this video for example. Okay, and now the second video has been added and I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. And to blend two videos on KineMaster, we need to go to the blend menu. The blending menu. You can click on your second video and then you're going to go to the blending. Okay, and here you can choose the type of the blending mode and I'm going to try it one by one. Wait guys, you can choose the best blending mode for your video. I'm gonna go with this lighten. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the final result. Oops, sorry. Okay, and as you can see guys that the videos have been blended together. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blend videos on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.